Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix fast PowerPoint menu not appear. When you open PowerPoint, you can see that the menu is not visible. To correct this, click on one of the options. This will make the menu visible. By doing so, you will click on the anchor icon located in the lower corner. Now your menu will be visible in PowerPoint. You may need to open the menu several times to see this icon. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.